This is Unit 4 test corrections for 7th graders. Question number 1. Peter owes Yandu $35,480 from a shuttle run that went south. If Peter agrees to pay Yandu back with 3% interest, and then the question is, how much will Peter owe at the end of 1 year? Well, I notice a lot of you did interest equals principal times rate times time. Principal is $35,480. The rate is 3%, and the time is 1 year. If you do that, you find the interest is $1,064.40. But D is a huge distractor. It is not the right answer because it wants to know how much will Peter owe. Peter already owes $35,480. He's not going to turn around and pay back only $1,000. So you would have to add the principal, $35,480, plus the interest he has to pay on top of that. And that gives you the answer A, $36,544.40. So I believe, getting the data, 5 of you missed that. Most of you did not add the interest back. Remember, you cannot borrow $35,000 and only give back $1,000. The number 2, everybody missed. And I'm guessing you missed it because you didn't know what a quaffle was. Well, a quaffle's a Harry Potter wizard ball. But that doesn't matter. Harry wants to get a set. A set. He wanted to buy one group of 20 quaffles for $235.50. If there's an 8% sales tax, the question is, what is the sales tax? This was a very simple problem, and you were distracted by the quaffles. All you need to do is find out what 8% of $235.50. When you go to the store, it doesn't matter what you buy. You don't add the item to the price. It's the price plus the tax. Well, the tax on $235.50 was, I believe it's $18.84. Didn't write it down, but I believe that's the right answer. You can check me with your calculator. This was a simple problem. 20 quaffles was not what the problem was about. So I'm finding you're doing good on the math, but you're not doing good on the solving. So again, make sure you're highlighting the test questions and then answering that. What is the sales tax? $18.84. Tax is money. Number 3, Leah deposits $260 in an account that earns simple interest at a rate of 5%. The question is, how much interest does her account earn after 10 years? Well, 7 of you got this right because it's a straightforward question without any tricks. Interest equals principal times rate times time. So you knew that the principal is $260, you knew the rate was 5%, and you knew the time was 10 years. Great job on that one, but it should have been just as easy on problems 1 and 2. On question 4, this was one of the more often missed. 5 of you missed this. Rick is bringing his kids to a TCU game. Well, I changed the names. Tim wants a hot dog for $4.25. There's Tim. Carl wants a hamburger for $5.50. Judith wants a pretzel for $3.75. If the sales tax is 8%, Sales tax is 8%. About how much will they need for concessions? Well, by my calculation, they need about $13.50. And $13.50 is the original price for all the items, and then times the sales tax of 8%. Well, the sales tax would be $1.08. That is not the answer. That is, again, a distractor. It's there for a reason. You have to add the tax to your original amount to find the answer. It's $14.58. So again, you're doing a lot of the math right. You're not focused on the question about how much money will they need for concessions. Well, they have to buy the hot dog, hamburger, and pretzel. And they have to also pay for the tax. So rethink this again and figure out how you're going to focus. I suggest you annotate better. Question 5 is the last question for this video. Mike's friend, Will, turned 13. Mike paid for Will's meal at Chili's. Their meal before tax was $20. Sales tax was $1.70, and he wants to tip 20%. The question is, what was his total bill? Well, total bill, you know you're going to have to add. So it's $20 plus $1.70. It's $21.70. That's not the answer, and neither is this one. The answer is also not going to be $4 or $4.34. So I already know the only possible answer is A. Let's see if we can get there. You have to add 20% tax. So 20% of $21.70 is $4.34. And when you add that, you get $26.04, I guess, 4 cents. $26.04. You should be able to rule out B and C. Nobody's getting a meal at Chili's, in fact, 2 meals at Chili's, for $4 or for $4.34. You need to turn on your brain. You need to read the question at least twice. That's why it's highlighted. You should read it with the problem, and then when you finish, you should read it again. The rest of the problems are on the second video.